Hello, and in this video, I will show you how to learn the animation constraints, and we will see a couple of things related to the animation panel that you will need for this rigging process. Okay, so over here you can see that I have two chain of bones. Both of them have a constraint applied to it, which is the IKHK solvers, or well, this one's the spline one. I will delete this and come here in the animation, I'm in the top viewport, and the first option you see is IK solvers. IK solvers, these are basically related to robotics, and these are like two principles, IK and FK. FK means forward kinematics. It's pretty much like your animation timeline. I'm going to try to keep it as simple as possible. So what it basically means that when we create a bone, it's like hierarchy dependent or like hierarchy independent. Like when, for example, when we were creating our bone here, and hold on a second. Yeah, I'm just going to create a bone, and I just choose the IKHK solver. So I'm going to create one without it, and I'm going to create one with that constraint applied to it. Okay. Now you will notice that as I move it, it's kind of like attached to it. Okay. What this basically is, these are like controllers you add later on. What, like, let's say if you add it and create a bone early on, then later on in the process, when you link them and other things, the orientation of your bone can change. Okay. That can cause problems. And don't worry, I will cover up IK and HK, what they are. There will be a separate video for those. But you guys should like know when you create them like this, they are pre-applied. And another thing, if we do it using from the animation panel itself, is that if I come here and I choose the same HI solver and choose that bone, it's created a control for us. It's the same thing. It's an IKHI solver, okay? History independent means that it it will move the whole chain. It does not see that which one is it connected to. Or I'll just make a separate video to it, but I'm gonna kind of like explain it to you guys. Okay, so these are like for that, and fucking hell with this.